Karisi, give me Lawanga. This round, we're tripling the points. We have the top 5 answers on the board. Here we go. Tell me, what kind of cooking spice would you use to season chicken?
Cumin.
Cumin.
Chicken spice.
Chicken spice. Okay, thank you. You gonna play?
Yeah, we're gonna play, definitely, Uncle Steve.
All right, let's go. So, you go to the store, and there's a bottle that says chicken spice on it. Said, hey man, I thought that was the dumbest thing. I said, what is wrong with this boy? You think they just gonna put chicken spice up there? All right, man, let's go. Here's your chance. Tell me, what kind of cooking spice would you use to season chicken?
Personally, this is my favorite spice, Steve. Peri peri. Peri peri spice.
Yes, good answer. Good answer.
Peri peri. Mama, let's go. Tell me what kind of cooking spice you would use to season chicken.
Barbecue spice.
Barbecue spice. Tell me what kind of cooking spice you would use to season chicken.
Steve, I would use our very own South African aromat.
Good answer. Good answer.
Aromat. Grandmama, listen to me. You look like you can cook some chicken.
Yes, you can.
Yes, I can.
You look like you done taught some people up here how to cook chicken. I don't give a damn what number 4 is. I'm gonna believe her. Grandmother, tell me, what kind of cooking spice would you use to season chicken?
Steve, I would use lemon and herb.
Good answer. Good answer.
Lemon herb for the win. Now, Luengo,
Yes, Uncle Steve.
we got 2 strikes, brother.
Yes, sir.
You got to be careful, because the P-Coon family can steal because you have 2 strikes. But it won't matter if you know this, because if you know this answer, Luenga, your family wins the game and has a chance to play for 75,000 Rand. Luenga, tell me, what kind of cooking spice would you use to season chicken?
I'm gonna go with ginger spice, Uncle Steve.
This, the whole crowd went, what? He can't cook. The grandmama never told him to put no damn ginger on no chicken. Grandmama ain't ever said that to him. Ginger! Ladies, I have a situation for you. I only got 1 answer and 1 answer only. If that answer's there, your family wins the game. Your family will be playing for 75,000 Rand. But ladies, if it's not there, the Mama Rakani family will be playing for 75,000 Rand. This 1 answer decides who plays for the jackpot. This is it. Tell me, what kind of cooking spice would you use to season chicken?
My family and I are going to say pepper and salt, Steve.
This is for the win. Pepper and salt. Number 4. Well, man, y'all played really, really well, ladies. And you look real good on TV. Hey, listen, bad luck, but you played very well. Don't go away empty-handed, though, with us. You're gonna take away 13,400 Rand and a year's worth of KFC to the value of 10,000 Rand. That's a pretty good day. Thank you, ladies. Very beautiful. Thank y'all. Well, Mama, Regarding family, I need 2 of you. Come on, I need 2 of you to play Fast Money. All right, we'll be right back after this. Gonna play Fast Money. We playing for 75,000 Rand.